Welcome back to my YouTube channel Zero to Infinity. This is the Vyanti here, and today we are going to talk about environment. So, do you know how we destroyed our environment by ourselves? We polluted so much of garbage, cutting of trees. Like take the example of pollution. Pollution जैसे कि instead of car we can use bikes also. क्यों? क्योंकि कार में there is a seat of 2 or 5 people. जैसे 5 और 6 people की सीट्स होती हैं कार में और उसमें एक ही इंसान बैठा होता है, तो हम कार की जगह पे बाइक यूज़ कर सकते हैं. ऐसे ही ना वी आर कटिंग ऑफ ट्रीज, राइट, कटिंग ऑफ ट्रीज. अब ना वी आर कटिंग फील्ड्स में जैसे कि क्या होता है, फील्ड्स की जगह पे हम बिल्डिंग्स बनाते हैं, मॉल्स बनाते हैं, हाउसेस बनाते हैं. सो इट्स वी environment is polluted. अब there is a many nuclear family, some of the nuclear family living in a city. Now nuclear family wants a very big house to live. They want a very big house, so much of facilities, so much of things in that. Cutting of trees. Now wastage is, now we are traveling on a road. We are traveling on a road and we have something in our hand. So instead of throwing it in a dustbin, we are throwing it on the road. We are throwing it on the road. So it just, we are destroying our environment. Wastage. So we are going to learn about environment. Are you excited to know about that? Yes. So let's quickly get started. Environment. Environment refers to everything in our immediate surrounding. Environment is something whatever we have in our surrounding. We have non-living things as well as living things. So whatever we have in our environment is environment. Environment consists of two things: natural environment and human-made environment. Natural environment, human-made environment. Let's see about natural environment. Natural environment consists of physical environment and biological environment. Natural environment is just that is done by its natural, by itself. Okay, and human made is something that is made by the humans. Now, a natural environment consists of two things: physical environment and biological environment. Physical के बारे में देखते हैं. The three major components of the physical environment are the atmosphere, lithosphere and hydrosphere. What are those three? Atmosphere, lithosphere and hydrosphere. These are the three main components of physical environment. They are the abiotic. Abiotic means non-living. Abiotic means non-living. They are the abiotic or the non-living components of the environment. Physical environment की जितने भी three main components हैं, that are atmosphere, lithosphere and hydrosphere. They are abiotic or the non-living components of the environment. Then coming on to the biological environment. Biological environment is, there is a narrow zone of contact between the atmosphere, the lithosphere and the hydrosphere where the life forms exist. Now there is a layer, means a narrow zone of contact between the atmosphere, lithosphere and hydrosphere in which a life exists. And that is known as biosphere. So biological environment consists of biosphere. Okay, like physical environment has three main components. So like this, biological environment has biosphere, and this is the zone of contact between the atmosphere, lithosphere and hydrosphere. It contains abiotic and the living components of the natural environment and supports plants, animals and all other living beings. It supports everything in our environment, like abiotic. Abiotic is that for physical environment. We are having physical environment, so we use abiotic because they are non-living. But in biosphere they are biotic. Biotic means living things. They are abiotic and living components of the natural environment, and it supports plants, animals and all other living beings. We have animals, plants and all the living beings. It supports in biosphere. Now let's see this picture. It shows that environment is divided into two parts. Environment is divided into two parts, that is natural environment. And human made environment. Environment two parts में, natural and human made environment. Coming on to the natural environment, it is divided into two parts: physical environment and biological environment. Physical environment is atmosphere, lithosphere, and hydrosphere. Physical environment, atmosphere, lithosphere, and hydrosphere. Biological environment is biosphere. Now it consists of biosphere. So it was natural environment, physical environment, and biological environment. And a human-made environment is of two types also. It is of two types. Built environment, we can take the examples like factories, houses, bridges, dams, roads. So these are the built environment. And social cultural environment is just family, community, and so on. So for environment is consist of two parts: natural environment and human made environment. The natural environment consists of two things: physical and biological. Physical consists of three things, that is atmosphere, lithosphere, atmosphere. Then biological consists of biosphere. Coming on to the human made environment. Human made consists of two things: built environment, like we have houses, factories, roads, etc. And second is social cultural environment. Second is social cultural environment, that can be family or the community. So these were the chart of the environment. Now let's see about the physical environments. First of all, lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, and biosphere. These four together are known as domains or realms. They are the four major subsystems of Earth system. So we say domains or realms. Realms of the Earth, we can say this. So the Earth system consists of four major subsystems, and they are known as domains or realms. So there are four subsystems. They are known as domains or the realms. They are lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, and biosphere. So these four together known as realms or domains. Part of the Earth where life is found, including land, water, the lower part of the atmosphere, every living beings, where it is found plants, water, animals, all the living beings we are having. So that is biosphere. In biosphere, it includes every plant, water. It is saying that it is the part of the earth, where life is found. Here life is found, and including we have land, water, plant, and the lower part of the atmosphere. So these were the about physical environment. Now lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere. This we all be learning in the upcoming videos, that lithosphere is something, it is a layer, and it comes from a Greek word lithos. So these all the things about lithosphere, atmosphere, and hydrosphere will be coming into the next video. And in this video we learned about some physical environment things, human made environment things, also some natural environment things. First of all, I want to tell you human made environment. Human made environment is just it is made by the humans. Like we have houses, buildings, big buildings, houses. So they are made by the people. So it is human made environment. And natural environment is this, that it is done by naturally वो अपने आप हुआ हो. Like plants we have, any natural thing we can take which is natural. So that will be natural environment. अब जैसे कि नेचुरल एनवायरनमेंट और ह्यूमन मेड एनवायरनमेंट में डिफरेंस ये है कि नेचुरल एनवायरनमेंट इज़ डेवलप्ड बाय इटसेल्फ एंड ह्यूमन मेड एनवायरनमेंट इज़ मेड बाय द ह्यूमंस. अब ऐसी तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो लोगों ने इन्वेंट की हैं. देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स. So that is human made environment. And in human made environment, I told you there is two types: built environment and social cultural environment. अब जो built environment है उसमें जैसे houses ले लेते हैं, buildings ले लेते हैं, ये सब हुआ क्योंकि built environment, through the name built environment means it is something to be built. There are things to be built, like we have buildings, roads, and some more things we have: roads we have, bridges we have, dams we have, and all those things. And in social cultural environment we have families and any community we have. So say family or community is social cultural environment. So natural environment and human made environment. Now coming on to the physical environment may we know that there was realms, ottomans, lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, and basosphere. These four together are known as realms. Now, in the upcoming videos, we will be learning about lithosphere, atmosphere, and hydrosphere. Are very interesting, and I hope you like my video. If you like, then please like it and share it with your friends. So, we'll meet you in the next video.